learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Known as the first street in Longtan, the Sangkunzi Old Street has been around for about a century and gained its fame from the 3 nearby rivers that were used for transportation and trade. As you walk along the street, you can find traces of its rich history. There's an old sign with a limerick called Black and White Wash, a record of daily life at the river washing clothes. Today, the street is better known for its food, like the traditional Hakka snack called Niu Wanchui. At the end of the street sits Yongfu Temple, which is dedicated to the 3 mountain kings. Many people come here to relax, chat, and enjoy a good cup of tea.
Yo, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿斌哥 Leo。Hello，
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Lin。Hey Leo，我们是不是又要一起携手到龙潭去啊？
对。
This whole month we're trying to take you to a particular place so you can learn more about Taoyuan's Longtan Township. OK， 到了一个尤其是有古色古香的城镇的时候，我相信我们还是要去见识这边的老街啊。
啊，对。老街是非常重要的哦，这边有一个很有名的老街叫做三行的老街。
三行的老街，老街就是老街嘛。That's an old street。三行的是什么？3条巷子吗？
叫三坑仔。
哦，是三坑仔，因为听起来有点像沙雕行啊，有点像。It sounds like 3 alleys, but it's just a name. It's called 三坑子老街。
它不是3条巷子，其实它是3条河流汇集在一起。
Oh no way! Okay, so actually 3 creeks or 3 rivers cross into this town. 河流啊，怎么说？
后巴。
后巴 is actually a river. Very interesting.
这边有一个叫做欧北塞，
欧北塞什么东西？
其实它就是一个可以让你洗衣服的地方啦。
所以你刚刚讲的欧北塞，那不是台语了吗？
不是，它是台语跟客家话融合在一起。像欧北就是闽南语，塞就是客家话。
塞 is Hakka, 欧北 is Taiwanese. 那你就教一下客语洗衣服怎么说？
晒衫服。
晒衫服。Okay, now we know. Because of the different cultures, the Taiwanese culture and Hakka culture getting together, they have developed terms that kind of combine the two. But to say doing your laundry, 洗衣服, 晒衫服. And then there's a lot of rivers around here, 河流。
后巴，
and it's all happening at this 老街。
老街，
记得叫做三坑子的老街。And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么大家？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.